Okay, for the best part of the meal, it's the dessert, and this one's so fun because I made a cookie in around 30 minutes. Let's turn it into ice cream sandwiches. Yes. I can't believe I'm saying that in 30 minutes. Can I make some ice cream sandwiches? You bet I do. Let's do it. Look how beautiful these cookies are. Okay, so I do all 4 at once. So I like it to look pretty, so put the bottoms down, and then ice cream. This is the best part. Just a nice scoop of soft ice cream in the middle of it. Don't worry about spreading it out now, because I'm gonna put some pressure on it from the other cookie, and it's gonna sandwich. You could use any ice cream that you wanted, but there's just something really classic about vanilla ice cream and a nice chocolate chip cookie. So get the tops on and squish it. That's the best part. Doing this last is great, and then you have something wonderful. And that's the easiest cookie recipe I know to pull it off in around 30 minutes, and tell me that does not look delicious. So good.